Hey guys, I often get asked for packing videos, so I am in the middle of packing. I thought I would show you my method and how I do things. So everything's laid out here on the bed as I start thinking about things. Like I always get my toiletry bag out. I don't always take this big one, but everything lives in there. I have a video all about that. I will link all relevant videos below. I will refill anything that needs to be refilled, things like that. Start laying out, sunscreen I'm going to take, some bags. This is jewelry, a couple little things under there, and things like that. Basically just laying out what I want to take. Dirty clothes bag, laundry bag, something to put my hot tools in, bags I may be taking. I don't know if I'm taking both of those or just one. Hats, there's a beach bag under there. A couple of jackets. It may rain one day, so I'm bringing my light rain jacket. And then just some of the clothes right now that I'm laying out. Shorts, swimsuits, things like that. And then here I have some shoes. And then this is just my hanging rack. I don't know if I'm taking those pants. They've just been hanging here. But basically I try things on and decide on some things I might want to bring. Have a few mix and match outfits. The weather may not be the greatest while we're there, so I did bring some long sleeve options. And of course, that's where my denim jacket comes in as well. So anyway, try everything on, make a list of what I want, and then I'll maybe narrow this down, but I do like to have a few options when the weather's going to be iffy. So that is that part. And then basically once I decide everything I'm taking, I will put these into packing cubes and I will show you those. I do have on the blog like my favorite travel supplies, and I definitely have a travel playlist that I will link below as well. So as for makeup, this is probably the bag I'm going to take, but I'm not sure, and my brushes. I will start laying out my brushes, and then as I do my makeup the day before or 2 days before, I will put it in here and work out of it that morning as well to make sure I don't miss anything. I think everybody does that, but anyway, the brushes for sure I lay out first because those are the things I may not use the same ones all the time, and I want to make sure I take certain ones. All right, so here is our packing list. I've shown this before. I'm still trying to get something similar up on my blog so that you guys can download it. As you can see though, there's a lot, and I have like his, hers, miscellaneous, like toiletries. I mean, I literally put like every single thing so I don't forget. A lot of this stays in those bags though. So I'm trying to condense it down because I always do get a lot of people asking for it. And then I always just write a few things down I want to take, and then kind of a to-do list, like, we set our thermostat to energy savings, stop the mail, just things like that that I want to remember that I do. And then I just have my little bag of creamer here, some wipes. I'm in that same bedroom. In here is our travel closet. I have a video all about this. It does have some clothes too, but I keep all of our packing cubes up there. Extra bags, things like that, because it just depends where we're going, how long we're going, what we take. All of our luggage is over there. Again, I will link that video for you below. Okay, so we are at the step where everything pretty much is in the suitcase, so I thought I would show you a little bit. I always put my clothes on this side, and I have swimsuits and cover-ups in this packing cube. I usually just put my mirror wherever it will go, throw a sweatshirt on top. I have pajamas and some t-shirts and things in that packing cube. I have several different packing cubes that I use. Basically, I'll just grab some from each set depending on what size I need that time. This is a pair of jeans. I usually try to like roll up jeans and like shove them in wherever they'll go. Let's see, these are some shorts and some t-shirts. Oh, and a pair of joggers. I don't always put every single thing in a packing cube. Threw my robe on top. And this is a packing cube with the main blouses, a couple of dresses, things like that. So then that'll get zipped up. And over here, I always put my shoes, my toiletries, things like that. I usually put all of my shoes in bags, depending. This time I didn't, just because I knew I had a lot more room. If I have more things over here, I will definitely make sure each one's in its bag so it doesn't get other things dirty. But I knew I could lay them out well. So I do have my sneakers on each side. These are some wedges. I put those in a packing or a little shoe bag, and same with these. As far as flat sandals, I just laid them wherever I could. On the very bottom, because it lays nice and flat, is that straw bag. And then the same with my rain jacket. It just lays flat really nicely. I went ahead and took the big toiletry bag. I didn't need to, but sometimes it's easier if I know I'm going to have room just to leave everything in this one, because it's actually nice and light, being a Vera Bradley bag, and I'll just put it in there. If I need more room, you know, with a smaller black bag, then obviously I take out just what I need. Bras and underwear, a little nail file kit. This is my Turby Twist. Now this hat is packable, so I don't mind squishing it up. If you have a hat that you're taking that's not packable, I would put it upside down in the bottom and then fill it. Or you could put it right side up and fill it again, but put things on the brim. But again, because this is packable, it's great. So I just usually kind of make sure it's real long right here and stick it right there. And then I have a couple other hats and visors. I have my hair things. So all that just goes nice and neat there. I forgot, this is my flat iron, and when I had that Hot Tools thing out earlier, I wasn't going to use that because I've been using this. I actually just keep my flat iron in here all the time, and just lay it on here when I'm using it on the counter. I love it. This is a silicone, so it fits inside there, but you also then use it to sit on your counter, so it's great for travel. This is a steamer, so I will just I put this in this little bag. I'll just lay that here, and then that's pretty much it. And I'll show you what's in the duffel bag there. So this is a Soul Society duffel bag. I had shown this around Black Friday, Christmas time. It was on sale at a really good price. They have a couple other colors. I'll link it for you if it's still available. But sorry, this is gonna be kind of hard to show you. I took a straw bag, and inside I have that little laundry bag and a scarf and something else I can't remember. But anyway, pack your bags, because that makes it nice for extra room. And then I have my jewelry here. I still have this whole section right here. So I'll put those wipes, and I'll put my makeup bag and my brushes over there. And this little bag I've done a video on as well. It kind of just has everything from Advil, Band-Aids, eye drops, you name it. And sunscreen and everything in that little bag is over there. So again, that will be what's in this bag. And then as far as this bag, I think I'm actually just gonna carry this one. So I'll switch out of my current bag and put everything in this one, because this will probably be the main bag I use while we're on vacation. So I hope you guys found that helpful and interesting. I know you guys like packing videos. Thanks so much for watching. We'll link every video I spoke about in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.